Good morning. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. Been cleaning up snow for about half an hour now. Yep, trying to get it all done with the four-wheeler. I got the four-wheeler parked under the roof here. So I go in and get some coffee. I got a little bit of the driveway done already. Running out of room to go with the snow. My pile's getting pretty high there. Yeah, we're going to have to brush off the four-wheeler before I sit on that again. Don't want to get a wet butt. Yeah, that's my pile of shingles. I didn't get done with my roof. See how much snow we've got so far. Looks like it's about 17 centimeters, 6.5 inches so far. Supposedly we're only halfway through, so holy cow, it's coming down right now. I don't know if this is going to work on the camera or not. Anybody need a stove? I can't sell a stove. Nobody wants to buy a used stove. That's the pile I got so far from pushing it up from that end of the driveway. Then I'll push it over there by the trees. See a little bit of the truck there. I'll have to clean that off later. Wow. Well, I'll shoot some more later on in the morning and we'll see how it turns out.